Introducing the Leica Rexos line 9009, a motorhome that redefines your travel experiences by fusing power and elegance. This fully functional motorhome is built for both comfort and adventure. This vehicle boasts a potent Fiat 2.3 jet engine, giving it more than enough power to tackle any road. However, the magic takes place within. Imagine luxurious leather pilot seats that can be adjusted to form a comfortable living space with an elegant table, ideal for relaxing evenings while planning your upcoming journey. The Rexos line boasts a roomy interior design, likely with separate sleeping quarters and a fully functional kitchen. Traveling without stress is ensured by high-tech amenities like satellite TV and automatic leveling systems. Imagine unwinding under a large awning, or taking advantage of a cool breeze with the assistance of the built-in air conditioning system for the ultimate in relaxation. But as with everything, the Leica Rexos line 9009 is not without its price in terms of power and luxury. This motorhome, with a starting price of $200,000, is an investment in life-changing travel opportunities. Here is the motorhome that personifies luxury and adventure on wheels. The Concorde Centurion. With a spacious interior designed for relaxation and enjoyment, the Centurion will transport you to a world of comfort and elegance. Every square inch of this motorhome radiates sophistication and convenience, from the comfortable sleeping quarters to the contemporary kitchen and living area. The integrated and partially integrated versions are the two that are offered, with features like air suspension for a smooth ride, a hidden garage for carrying all your toys, and a spacious dining area that can comfortably seat 6 people. Both offer a sizable living area that stretches up to 40 feet long. The luxurious interiors, which include a disappearing TV, elegant furniture, and sleek countertops, are designed with relaxation in mind. The starting price of this rolling palace, however, is approximately $1 million. In the world of motorhomes, the Pilot G781C is comparable to a magic carpet, ready to whisk you away on amazing journeys. This elegant and sophisticated vehicle serves as both a means of transportation and a comfortable home on wheels, complete with all the amenities you could want. Imagine yourself driving this opulent mobile home along picturesque highways, with the sun shining and the wind blowing through your hair. The Pilot G781C has an interior living area that is roomy and thoughtfully designed, making it the ideal place to unwind after a day of exploring. Comfortable seating, a fully functional kitchenette, and a cozy sleeping area await you, ready to help you tackle the next day's adventures. This motorhome makes life on the road easy and enjoyable with its contemporary amenities and creative storage options. However, the Pilote G781C's true beauty is found in its capacity to transport you to any location you choose. This multi-purpose vehicle is your ticket to excitement and freedom, whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or a weekend getaway in the mountains. It costs $200,000. The Niesman Bischoff Flair motorhome is the pinnacle of luxury travel. Every time you hit the road, you can expect an unforgettable ride from this iconic vehicle, which combines cutting-edge design with unmatched comfort. Top-notch features like an oven, dishwasher, and even a fancy coffee maker that comes out when you need a pick-me-up are all included in the spacious interior of the Flair. Additionally, you can alter the design to suit your preferences, such as having a larger kitchen or more storage. The Niesman Bischoff Flair delivers an excellent performance. No matter where your travels take you, you'll experience a flawless ride, thanks to a strong engine and easy handling. The Flair offers an investment in a lifetime of unforgettable memories, despite the fact that luxury of this caliber starts at $300,000 in price. Imagine yourself speeding along the highway in the ultimate mobile luxury residence. That's what Le Voyageur Gamma liner claims to offer. This luxurious RV is not your typical camper van. Constructed on a robust Mercedes Atego framework, it provides the comfort and steadiness of a truck, as well as the conveniences of a house. Enter to find a large living room with plush furnishings, a modern kitchen with high-end appliances, and an opulent bathroom, with plenty of storage and even optional features like a garage to bring along your favorite toys. Le Voyageur doesn't cut corners. Depot prices start at about $323,600. A marvel on wheels that promises to revolutionize your travel experience is the Bürstner Elegance Grand Panorama i 920G. It's an opulent haven that invites you to travel the open road with elegance. Imagine setting out on your journey with all of your home's conveniences at your disposal. From a comfortable bed to a well-stocked kitchen and a spacious living area where memories are created, its panoramic design provides stunning views of the outside world. You'll experience a connection to nature unlike any other, whether you're parked by a tranquil lake or tucked away among towering mountains. But the journey is just as important as the destination. Every mile is enjoyable with this motorhome's effortless handling and smooth ride. The starting price is approximately $174,150. Imagine a super opulent recreational vehicle that looks and feels like a mansion. The Integra Coach Cornerstone 2020 is here. With 605 horsepower, this diesel engine is like a super strong truck engine and can carry you anywhere you want to go in comfort. Inside, it's spacious and nearly 45 feet long, with lovely tile floors and elegant furnishings. Unwind in the enormous king bed, the gorgeous bathroom, and the heated and cooled seats. From the large living room to the fantastic kitchen, the whole place is super cozy and stylish. However, this luxury does not come cheap. At $751,500, the Cornerstone is priced. However, having an amazing RV like this one could be your dream come true. Start your opulent journey in style with the Morello Empire Liner, a luxurious motorhome that redefines luxury while traveling. Enter this magnificent home to discover a cozy and sophisticated world. Every element of this lavish living space, from the large living area to the designer kitchen, has been painstakingly created to deliver the ultimate in luxury. Imagine unwinding in a sizable living area with elegant finishes and top-notch appliances that wouldn't look out of place in a posh apartment. Under its sleek exterior, the Morello Empire Liner conceals a powerful engine that promises thrilling and smooth travel. However, the cost of this kind of luxury starts at $600,000. We present the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior, a motorhome that redefines luxury. With a spacious and exquisitely designed interior that redefines comfort and sophistication, this marvel on wheels offers a lavish lifestyle like no other. Every element of the Element Palazzo Superior, from the gourmet kitchen and high-tech entertainment system to the luxurious sleeping quarters, is expertly designed. The Palazzo Superior guarantees unparalleled luxury and convenience while traveling, thanks to state-of-the-art technology and cutting-edge amenities like a rooftop terrace and a retractable sky lounge. A spacious bedroom and a spa-like bathroom are among the amenities you'll find inside a luxury home. You can take this beauty anywhere you like though, unlike a house. The price tag is the only thing that might be difficult to accept. At a cool $3 million, this beauty is on sale. The Airstream Atlas is a luxurious and recognizable motorhome that elevates your travel experience to a new level of sophistication. When you enter this marvel, you'll be welcomed by a roomy, exquisitely designed interior where each and every element has been thoughtfully chosen to ensure your comfort. The Atlas provides a truly luxurious living experience while traveling, from the high-end materials to the cutting-edge technology. A fully equipped kitchen facilitates meal times, while a three-piece bathroom guarantees seclusion and comfort. The real show stealer, though, is the clever Murphy Suite, which maximizes your living space with a comfortable bed that tucks away when not in use. The Atlas redefines recreational vehicle travel with its luxurious finishes, first-rate Mercedes safety features, and Airstream's legendary design legacy. The Airstream Atlas has a starting price of about $200,000.